welcome to a very, very wet Walibi Belgium. I have spotted the KONDAA. Pigeon! It's beautiful! Incoming! Those are some chonky supports. The outer bank, look at it! And there's that weird thing, non-inverting cobra roll, which looks very weird. Wow.
On avait fait la dernière fois.
Time for the Big Mac. One of those really big. So, pulsar tested for all of about 5 seconds and it's already closed. So, later, hopefully. Look at this for a view. My first ever Vekoma boomerang will be over there. The Rapids. Little Zero family coaster. And then Big Mac. Pulsar that is currently sat there not doing anything. So literally just as we leave Pulsar, it starts testing. Why does it? Why? It was down like 5 seconds ago and now it's testing again. See if I can get it coming back on the... there's a big splash. Where's it gone? That goes really high up, that looks good. Wow! Yeah, I'm going on that later. So now we're going on Belgian Big Thunder Mountain. I am in severe pain.
Hello there.
KONDAA!
KONDAA!
This is more forceful than KONDAA, what the hell? Very exotic tiki waka. We'll go on to that next. Look at those for some beams. Those are some nice beams. Tiki waka. Never mind, Tiki Waka died. I will get back on this. Well, never mind, Psyche's closed as well. So we're gonna just keep on the trend of doing kiddie coasters and go on another kiddie coaster. Just 5 minutes and it's open. Yes, it's open. Yay! This is actually really nice. I may as well record a POV for this one because I've got literally no other POVs today. So it's a little zero force coaster. Whee!
It's really smooth actually.
I know, it's nice. Whee! I think we're going to go and do this boomerang now, which will be my first ever Vekoma Thrill boomerang, which I know is probably like one of the most cloned coasters ever, but never done one before, so this should be interesting. This just isn't going to be fun. I would hold the GoPro up as well so that I could get a better view with it, but I also don't want to die, so I'm just going to hold on for dear life. It doesn't smack the end of it with a big clunk like the family.
Yes, it does actually.
Oh, no.
Yeah.
The family inverts like hit the end of this with such a big bang.
It's going to be so painful, you'll see.
I'm like genuinely not even looking forward to this.
And look at the line for it as well. Usually it's super busy.
I didn't even know it was this tall. Wow.
Oh no.
That was kind of soft.
Oh my god!
Oh, holy shit!
My mouth! I literally caught someone's hair in my mouth. And it's not the guy up front because he's bald. Oh no! Oh no! What the f***?
Killed it. I can quite confidently say that I am never going on a boomerang again. Full time. We're going to try Tiki Waka now, again, because it didn't work last time. Vekoma Woody, the ride.
Yeah, you hold on to the left part, otherwise it's gonna come on you. You're not gonna.
It's gonna what? Jesus Christ! Oh my God! Vekoma, please never make a wooden coaster again. So I've just come off of Werewolf, about to go on Vampire. Wasn't too bad Werewolf. We saw some guys with some papers at the end of the ride, some staff that I'm hoping there were demolition permits, because it wasn't great. Psyche Underground, that thing is very fun. It's a Schwarzkopf shuttle loop that's been redone by Gerstlauer, but very smooth, very forceful. I didn't do a POV of it because it's pretty much all in darkness, but I recommend it, it's very fun. It is time to get wet on Pulsar. Look at it, it's so cool. Mack rides are just awesome. Been on Pulsar. I don't know how waterproof my GoPro is, and I also don't want to test that, so I just nearly fell over. Didn't record on that one, but I think we're gonna go on Vampire now. Depends what the queue's like. Vampire time. I have a headache now. We have returned to the KONDAA.
It's not baby KONDAA.
Absolutely love this thing. It's so much better this morning. This morning I thought it was a bit sluggish actually. A bit slow, not really forceful, but now it is warmed up. Wow. Absolutely flying around.
It's the CORVUS over there.
I just love it, Zivin.
Yeah?
It's perfect. T-shirt acquired to end the day on a back. Well, we had a back row and then a front row. I love it.
Ducks!
Where? Ducks! Look at the ducks! They're so cute. And that does it for Walibi Belgium. I love this place especially KONDAA. KONDAA's very good. I'm ending the video. Bye. Yeah.
Bye-bye.